Welcome back to the part 2 of this video, and here we will see how to install this device and how to do all the process step by step. And I forgot to mention the first part that we get a Ethernet cable inside the box too, so that's why I've kept this in the middle to show it out without forgetting again. So as you can see here, friends, these are some protective films here. I'm not going to open this out because the design is like X, mentioning that it supports AX now. And if you remove this is a piano finish, so it might scratch if you're putting this on the table or somewhere, because I always wall mount it, so I tear it off. And we get two wall mounting sockets here. You can mount it both ways, like in this way or on the opposite end also, like in this way. So that's the thing. So let's boot this up, my friends, and we will connect to the router and all. Let's see. While it comes off, don't directly pull it, it will break. So basically you can see here it is turned to the side, so you need to turn it to the face towards, and then you can turn it off. So basically if you do that, you will break your router antennas. So basically you need to turn it. To know whether you are turning it on the straight or not, you can see the wire here, and the wire you're seeing the part, this is the front side. So this, in this way it can be turned. So if you turn it on the other way, you won't get the wire. See, there is a black wire here. So it is done. Now it is ready for action. Let me connect the power. So as you can see here, my friends, I have already connected the power cable to the power socket. Now we will push this in the back here in the power socket here. So it is connected now. As you can see, the power, it is getting on automatically, but we will switch it off better because we won't be able to install it. So off it out. First you off it, then we need to connect the WAN cable. So this is my WAN cable. This is a Cat5 cable. You can use your Cat6 or Cat7, whatever the latest one, which supports gigabyte speeds and all. Presently I have a connection of 100 Mbps, so Cat5 is done with me. So we will connect this behind here very carefully. We will hear a click. So it is done. So what we need to do now, we need to bring a phone now. So as you can see, I have my phone here, and we will switch it on. So as you can see here, it is getting on here. Let me focus the part. As you can see, it is the power LED. This is the power LED. As you can see here, it is the power LED one. This is the 2.4 gigahertz indicator. This is the 5 gigahertz indicator. This is the internet on or off indicator. This is the LAN port indicator. This is the USB indicator. If you connect a USB, this light will glow. If you connect a LAN, this light will glow. And the internet is on and it is connected, then it will show green. If there is internet connection error, then it will show orange. So it is getting on. In the meantime, let me show you what we need to do. You have to install an app called Theta. It comes from all Apple Store and also inside the Play Store. So you need to install this, and this will help you to connect to your device. Okay. So in the meantime, see, as you can see, the two lights are already on. That means Wi-Fi is on now. So as you can see, I have my SSID here and the password here. So I will switch this on. So here it is showing the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz. Okay. So it's either or you can connect to anyone, no problem. So first of all, I will disable this to auto join because this is my current Wi-Fi, and we will connect to any one of it. Okay, we need to enter the password here. It is mentioned here, as you can see here. So I'm mentioning this. You can change this password later after you logged in to your device and all. So I've done the password here. Now it is connecting. As you can see here, it is getting connected here. So as you can see, it is connected, but it is not showing the Wi-Fi here. That means it is detecting now whether it is having the internet or not. But we are getting a orange signal here. That means it doesn't have internet connection active now here. So we have to set that up. To do that, we need to go to the data app. Just open it up. So here it is showing AX50. Okay, we will select this. It is asking to enter a new password here. So let me enter the password here. After you enter the password here, this page comes up. So here we have to select which type of IP it is. It is a dynamic IP or static IP or POP, or so you can also go ahead with select the auto detect, or else if you want to connect with a different type of connection, you can select here. So I will go with the auto detect one, and it will check it automatically, as you can see here. So do check here, it is still orange here. So it is detected as PPOE connection. So if we go next, then we'll see what happens. It is asking the ISP's username and password, but since I'm using this as a different router only because I have a modem there, if I do this, then it will be a big problem for me because it will not connect because it is already connected through a modem. So in that case, you need to go back and select dynamic IP, select next. Here it will ask whether you need to change the recommended MAC address, like the MAC address that is provided with this Wi-Fi router, or the device connected to it, or any LAN connected to it. Better you keep it recommended one, then go next. Here it will ask to name the SSID. So I will name a different name here, like my name, Ash. And I will give some password here. So let it be like 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 9. So it is like a password here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there is no 3 here. So I will forget the password and I will be facing the problem. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now you can go done here. Then you can select next. In here it will ask for the SSID of Ashu 5G or something like that. So you can go ahead and name it same, or you can leave it like this, because now you cannot switch on the smart connect here. You need to select next. It is now asking to apply the connection. As you can see here, it is still red, so we need to click apply. So now it is applying. Just check it out, it is applying here, and the color of this connection of the internet. It takes few minutes or sometimes few seconds, depends on your network and the router itself. So we'll skip this part a bit, it takes a few seconds or some. So it is done now. As you can see, after it is done, it will ask you to connect to the same Wi-Fi again. So what we will do, we will go ahead and select connect here, and we'll select join ASU. This is a process, you can do it from here, or else you can go ahead directly here and you can select connect. But since now it has connected, you can connect and come back here. So it is now showing to login in to Archer AX50, testing the network connection. As you can see here, it is still red, so I have to check it out what is going on. If this is the problem you face, then you need to restart the router. Okay, let us check what happens here. So as you can see here, it is logging in now. Actually there was some problem with my cable with the modem, so that's the reason it was not getting connected. Now it is all connected now. As you can see, it is now asking to join for the home care devices and all, so you can go ahead and join here. Like the home care device is something that helps for the antivirus, parental controls, and also QoS. QoS is a technology which is used on various Wi-Fi routers to dedicatedly to give the bandwidth to the device that presently needs the speed. Like this device I'm not using now for any YouTube videos or anything watching with a heavy internet content. So what it will do, basically it will not send data speeds to this phone. And if another device in the home is using some YouTube videos or something consuming, then this router would automatically give the priority to that device, so that device will get the full speed and everything. And simultaneously, if I start to use here, then automatically it will decide and send the data to this device also, and it will be done simultaneously in the same time. So that's the reason AX has been launched. It can control multiple devices and it can share the internet to the multiple devices at the same time. So now we will go and join us. Here you can see it is asking to bind the TP-Link ID. If you have a TP-Link account, so I can go ahead and bind it. So and if I click here bind, then it will bind automatically, and if I don't now, then it will not. So basically, if I'm going to use this device, so I am going ahead and binding it now. So as you can see here, it will automatically connect to my TP-Link device and it is showing here success. Congratulations, your TP-Link home care is now taking care of your home network. This service will end on 1 January 1970 and you will receive a subscription renewal. Oh my god. I don't think that we have to take a subscription for this. I didn't knew about this, so this is a new for me. So let us check it later on what they are doing. So basically the antivirus is not free here, we have to buy the subscription from here. So presently it is active till 2nd April 2020. After that we have to buy it. So basically, my friends, if you need the antivirus directly on your firewall, or if you want directly on your router, then you can go ahead and buy this subscription and all. And presently on the QoS, it is now in standard. You can go ahead for gaming, streaming, surfing, chatting, customs, and there is an antivirus also. You can go ahead and switch on everything here, like you can enable all the things. You can also parental controls, like you can control some of the device that is connected to this network, like your son or child or anybody. Here you can see the client which is connected, like this phone, it is connected now, and rest all the things are same like the old one I given the video earlier. And here the settings are also same, like if there is a dot here, then we have to click it here. There is a firmware upgrade here, so you can update your firmware directly on the go, like from the net. Now it is showing the present update is this one, like 2020 January 9th. So 9 January 2020 was the latest one, so you can go ahead and update this. Click it here, select update here, and it will update your firmware. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be very happy to help you out. And this device costs 9,500 in India if you buy it from Amazon, while you got a good deal, or else it costs around 10,600. And anything else you need, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, my friends. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.